I think that's what happened.
My car was falling down, and so they followed me like
Ghetto nature.
Your bike ride.
I need 50 calories.
The L key? I haven't rode this bike.
My name is Dan. I run Cycle. We're a nonprofit organization that helps people use bicycles as an everyday form of transportation. So we're coming up with different ways to help people overcome the barriers that are preventing them from using bikes more. We have workshops and classes, events, rides like this, and we're working with Metro to do these group rides all over LA County. We could not do this ride without Metro's support. They're making it possible. They're giving us a lot of support. And they're also helping us work with local groups. So we have the Pomona Valley Bike Coalition that's working with us on this ride. They're an awesome local group. They're doing a lot of great work. They're going to speak in a few minutes, but please give them a big thanks. They've been awesome in terms of getting this ride together. There's a few key rules to this ride that I'm going to go over real quick so we are safe and we have a great time in the street. The first thing is we're going to follow all of the traffic principles. So that means that we're going to ride with traffic. We're going to stop at all traffic signals. That's a big one. There's ride leaders on this ride that have the route, so you will not get split up. I'm going to be in the back. I'm going to be the sweep. I'm going to make sure that no one gets left behind. Julia is going to be in the front, and she's going to be leading the ride with these cool tunes and the boombox. So you don't want to pass Julia because you won't hear the tunes. Please follow the directions from the ride leaders. They know the route. They're going to be here to keep you safe and make sure you have a fun time. If you're a ride leader, please raise your hand. These people have come out, like we were here last week, we were scouting the route. They volunteer their time from the Pomona Valley Bike Coalition and from Cycle. They're here because they want people to feel safe in the street. They want to make the communities better for bicycling. So please give them a big round of applause. They're awesome.
Advocate to have healthier and safer streets for everyone on their bikes, cars, and on the streets, on pedestrians. So just to let you guys know, we're pretty active in the community, and every month we do a ride in Pomona called Ride Around Pomona. On the first Saturday of the month at 8:30 a.m. we meet right here. So if you guys are interested in getting more involved and doing more bike riding as a group, we do this ride every month. And we also do other activities that promote safety education and as well as advocating for a bike master plan for the city of Pomona. So we have information for you guys. You can always talk to us, and a lot of members of the Pomona Valley Bicycle Coalition are here. And I'm really, really thankful and happy that everyone is here, and I hope everyone enjoys the ride today.
What's up, Brent?
Hey, how you doing, guy?
All right.
Good.
Come on, Doug.